In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on this Ford Taurus. These are going to be located in the front headlight assemblies. Let's get into it. I'm going to take this hose clamp off using an 8mm socket. Just loosen that up. Grab the hose. And you want to just push this off the airbox. Just separate that. That's good. Now we'll take these two screws out using an 8mm socket. Take those out. Now just grab the airbox. And we're just going to pull it straight up. Pull that out of the way. And now you're going to reach down, grab the cover, pull that off. See the bulb inside there? Just going to grab the bulb. You want to twist it to the left, pull that out. Now we'll disconnect the connector, just pull up on the tabs right there. And pull the bulb out and take the new bulb. You want to connect the connector right there, lock it in place. This is a 9005 bulb. Put the bulb in almost upside down on the driver's side and then twist it to the right. It locks in place. Take the cover, line it up, push the cover down. And the procedure on the passenger side is going to be the same, but you don't have to take the airbox out. Now I take the airbox, and slip it in place. Get that lined up in the grommets down below. And push straight down. Yep, that's locked in. That's good. Take the air snorkel. Push that in. And we'll tighten that down. Snug that down. And put these two bolts in. If you have to, just pull this forward a little bit, get that to line up, and tighten these down. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.